Alright, you guys, so today we'll be playing Aerials by System of a Down to pretty much close the Toxicity album. So, as usual, drop C tuning. So, a whole step down in your standard tuning and a step down further on the 6th string. So, the notes are D, A, F, C, G, and C again. Alright? So, let's take a look at the intro first, which goes a little something like this. Something like that. All right. So basically, what's going on here is we're playing arpeggios. All right. From the 6th to the 4th string. All right. Pretty much. Always down. All right. Or up, however you want to say it. But anyways, the idea is that you're only moving the bass. So we're only playing notes in the 6th string. All right. And then we're just playing an open 5th and 4th strings, which is G and C. All right. So the song starts here, as I said, only 6th string, 3rd fret for a D sharp. All right. To and then you play the open 5th and 4th. All right. And then you move to the 2nd fret, D. Sorry. All right. And then you play an open 6th string, which is a C. Times. Then you play the bass only again once, C, and then we move to 5th fret, an F, 3 times, D, D sharp, F, 7th fret G, G sharp, 8th fret, back to G. Only the 4th string here. Alright. Then F and only the 5th. And then D sharp, D, and C. Alright. Hopefully that made sense. So slowly again. So that's the first half, and that pretty much repeats also in the verse. All right, keep that in mind. And then we get to the following arrangement, which closes the intro. Starting here, 12th fret, it's the 2nd octave C, A sharp, 10th fret, G, 14th fret, 2nd octave D, A sharp, G. And then we move again to C, 2nd octave C, 12th fret. All right, 2nd octave D, 14th fret. 2nd octave D sharp, 15th fret. 17th fret, which is an F. D sharp D, 2nd octave both. A sharp and C. So again slowly. And that's pretty much the intro. All right. Then we get to the chorus, which goes a little something like this. I'll just play it twice because it's pretty much always the same, alright? So basically what's going on here is we're starting here, we're playing mainly power chords, and the arrangement in between is just pretty much octaves. Alright, so starting here, power chord, G sharp, a fret on the 5th and 6th string. Kind of like that. That's close to what Darren does, at least in the picking pattern. Alright, and then after we play this G sharp, which is just sustained, we do the following, which is pretty much C power chord, alright, palm muted, 5th and 6th string, open, 4 times, and then we play this F octave, alright, so 5th and 3rd string, 10th and 12th fret respectively, alright, open, just both strings, and we mute basically the in-between note, the in-between string, which is a 4th. You don't want to add that C. So you just slightly mute it with your index finger. Again, 3 times C. Octave D sharp, 8th and 10th fret of same strings. Same pattern, D, 7th and 9th fret. And then 5th and 7th fret for a C, alright? So F, D sharp, D, C. It's usually just the same notes, it's pretty much the same scale. And yep, that's pretty much it. Let's take a look at it again slowly. Just as a little side comment, live they play with 2 guitars, and Serge plays the same notes, but instead of playing the responses, let's call it that, in the 2nd octave he just plays the power chords in the 5th, 3rd, 2nd, and open frets, 5th and 6th string, right? Alright. And then we get, well, to the verse, which it's just the first part of the intro, so messed up the last part. Alright, so but you get the point, it's just that. Alright, and then we just return to the chorus. Alright, but we close this one by sustaining a G power chord. Before we enter the bridge, alright, which is just 7th fret, 5th and 6th string. Slightly palm muted. Alright, and then we get to, well, the breakdown or whatever, the bridge, which is goes a little something like this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Basically, we're just playing again single open power chords. All right, D sharp, a 3rd fret, 5th and 6th string, D, open, F, D sharp, D, same notes as a verse, pretty much. Sharp, F, G, G sharp, G, F, D, sharp, E, C, and it closes every time with a little slide. All right, and then we just return to pretty much closing with just that open C, low C. Pretty simple song, pretty much always the same. Hopefully it made sense. I know I made it pretty quick, but there's not that much to it, just little dynamics of the same notes. Love the song. It's one of the best songs by System. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Let me know if there's anything that I missed or didn't make sense. Hopefully not. Thanks a lot for watching again, and see you next time with still this album.